Hey guys, we're back. So this is the second video of 2 videos on doing that Izzy Swan sign. So right after this scene, I'm going to get right into the sanding, get it sanded off, and then we're going to get into the painting and put this whole thing together and get it done on this video. So you'll see the final product on this video. So stay with us. We'll be right back. All right, let's sand it off. Okay, so that was the rough belt, which was, I believe I got an 80 on there. Now I've got a 120 on here. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So you guys might have noticed when I was doing that first sand that I let the sander tip on me a little bit. I'll leave this up so you guys can see my mistake there. And that's the reason these spots all came up high. And if you look at it, you can't see it from that angle, but did you see that underneath there? Oh, I didn't know you could see that. Anyway, so we need to touch that up a little bit. Yeah, what happened was I just let that, because of this big spanse there, I let that sander tip just slightly. I don't do that all the time, but once in a while, if I lose concentration. So where's my little touch-up pen? Yeah, I can use that one, I think. I try to avoid that when I can, but every once in a while it happens. That right there is where it gets a little tricky. Actually, that's a really heavy point. I'm going to use this little doodad that comes down to a really fine point. I'm going to use that for in here. Bless you.
Sorry. Quiet. Okay, sorry.
Concentration. All right, there it is. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 3 coats of finish on that thing, and then I'm going to go back and paint those letters white and red. So that will be the next thing you see. We'll be back. Hey guys, we are back. So we're going to move on with this Izzy Swan sign. So I've got the finish all done on this. And I didn't do that on film. I just went ahead and put the finish on it. I've got a black edge, and now I want to go ahead and paint those letters. So when I do the painting, let me show you what I use. Well, this has kind of got a label, but it's called One Shot, and you guys will have seen this. I've used this on several different other videos, the Rolling Hills sign, and a lot of the other videos. But it's called One Shot. Works really, really good. It's not real cheap, but it is real good. So this is again the colors. We're going to go black and red and white. So I'm just going to paint this thing right now. We're going to do the whole thing right on video. So, and we'll probably speed this up and put some music to it. I like to paint to music. All right. Hey guys, all right, we're back and we got that all painted. Now what I've done is I've went ahead and put this whole thing together. Now I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and all of the elements and the details and everything. Sit down. Oh, you want me to sit? Okay. I didn't know I was going to be sitting.
Well.
All right, so here's what we got. Now, this is, again, it's for Izzy. So any of you that know Izzy Swan, he's big into gears. This is his actual podcast. But I've got a lot of different elements here. This thing was, you can ask Vic, this thing was driving me crazy for the last couple of weeks. What?
You're fine. Okay.
All right, so first things first. Let's turn the lights off and see what our LEDs look like. So it's all, so what I did was I made a face frame, kind of like the flag one I've done in the past, but this one was different than that. But these LEDs are in there, and obviously they'll change to different colors, whatever you want, that kind of thing. All done with the remote. And let's see, I like the red, I think, best. I don't know. I like the red. All right, so then the other thing is, the gear is actually on a Lazy Susan bearing, and it actually rotates. Now it's not motorized, but Izzy can probably figure that out if he wanted to. But this thing was, there was so many problems that I needed to solve. Yeah, so, and the cool thing is it's all up there on a French cleat. This is my, oaky temporary wall because I didn't want to drill and screw into my wall, but it's all done with a French cleat. If you don't want to know what a French cleat is, it's just cut on an angle, 45-degree angle, 2 pieces there, and then this whole plate comes off, and you'll see in the movie after this, you'll see there's a square box with a hole in it that's got the mechanism that holds the LED light battery pack in there. I'll hang this back up. But anyway, I'm super happy with the way this thing came out. It was, it took me 2 weeks to figure out what I wanted to do on it, and then another 2 weeks to actually make it happen. But I got to give a big shout out to my dad. My dad was a big contributor in figuring out this whole mechanism, how I was going to make this, this stay in one piece, but still be able to have that gear. I dreamed this up, that I wanted the gear to turn independently of the sign, and Dad was hugely instrumental in helping me kind of figure that out. But really happy with it. I'm going to ship it off to Izzy. He hasn't seen it yet, but I hope he likes it, and we'll just we'll go from there. So anyway, guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have questions on this, just let me know. Eric at makeawoodsign.com, right? Eric at makeawoodsign.com. I got so much going on. I've been just really trying to get this thing done, and I know you guys, and I say it all the time. I have so many hours in this. I had to walk away from it after 1 or 2 hours just because I didn't want to make any mistakes. But there was about 100 different problems that this thing had. Yeah, finally I got them all solved. But it was a bear. I'm going to be happy to see this one go and just be gone. So I know you guys have the same kind of things going on. But anyway, guys, thanks again. Hope you like it. We'll turn the lights back off. And I don't know, it's got all kinds of options here for different colors and different patterns and stuff. That's the white lights. It's kind of blue. But anyway, that is it, guys. I'm rambling now. Hope you guys like it, and we'll do another collaboration and another sign for somebody at some point soon, I think. We've got some good stuff coming up. So everybody have a great one, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. Hey guys, just thought I would throw this little clip on the end of our video. I was just really blown away and surprised and excited with Izzy's response to his sign when he got it. This is his post from Instagram, and this is what he had to say about it.
So this just came in the mail from Dave Signs. Guys, check this out. YouTube channel, Old Dave 100. Quality wood products. Now he makes these signs by hand. Check this out. This is off the chain. Look at that. What's really cool about it, once I get it hung up on the wall, the gear actually turns back here and it's LED lit. So I'm going to get this thing hung up. This is going to be cool. Dave, I am humbled and impressed and blown away. This is incredible. Thank you so much. Go check him out, guys. On YouTube, Old Dave 100. Amazing. Thank you so much, brother. I am impressed by your craftsmanship. That is incredible.